This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both the link and a short explanation so people know why to click. Copy the exact URL to your clipboard, and then write 1 or 2 concise sentences that explain value or relevance. Once done, confirm the platform allows external links and whether anchors, markdown, or plain text are required. Make sure to shorten overly long URLs only if the platform accepts them. Otherwise, keep the original so users see the destination. Now paste the URL into the comment field and format it according to the platform. Use markdown text, URL if supported, an HTML anchor where allowed, or simply paste the full URL as plain text. Explain briefly before or after the link so readers know what it leads to. This increases clicks and trust. Once done, preview if the platform offers a preview feature to confirm the link resolves and displays correctly. Finish by posting the comment and immediately clicking the link to verify it opens the intended page. If the platform strips or blocks links, edit your comment to include an approved format or a short, safe redirect text. Make sure to fix typos right away because some platforms limit edits. If the link still fails, use an allowed alternative such as the platform's attachment option or reference a searchable title users can find without a direct URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.